So I'm going to do a talk through on how I do my cut crease. Something very simple today. I'm going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. And these are the colors. Aren't they freaking amazing? Yeah, I'm just getting over a cold. So anyways, I decided, damn, I need to get a video out for you guys. So I was like, hey, let me just try this out. So anyways, I'm going to talk through doing one eye, and then the other eye I'll just fast forward it so I don't waste your time. Let's get to it. So I'm going to be using the, let me change this music because, okay. So anyways, I'm going to be using this concealer. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to prep my lid and just kind of do this here. So that way when I apply the eyeshadow, that it is, it's blended in very well, and it also is much more pigmented. Okay, so you see. So obviously you can use any eyeshadows that you like. I am going to try to stick with colors that are a little bit more natural today. So I will be using, let's see, let's just do gold, whatever this word is right here. Ochre, I don't know. But anyways, and some burnt orange, and then for my lid, just so I can show you guys how pigmented my shadow's going to be, I'm going to also use the raw sienna. So here we go. So in my crease, grab a blending brush. So for my crease, I'm going to go ahead and use the raw sienna, and I'm just going to blend in lightly and just feather that in. Okay, so now that I have that blended in, I do want to go in with the burnt orange, and I'm just going to tap that out because you don't want that extra, and then do it over the raw sienna underneath it though, so you have a good transition. Alright, so that's that. Alrighty, so now that we have that, so with that gold, ochre, whatever, that gold color, the golden color, that's going to be the color of where I apply my cut crease. So this is very simple. Like I said, this is something that you can do every day if you are into the cut crease look. So I'm going to squeeze some of this out, right? And bam. You want to put enough. You can do a half cut crease, or you can do a whole cut crease. I think I'm just going to do a whole cut crease today. Not I think. That's what I'm going to do. So yeah, you want to apply enough concealer. Right? Okay, so this is it. So this is for hooded eyes. Obviously my eyes aren't, you know, all like stretched out and shit. But anyways, hooded eyes, bam. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look up. Bam! Bam! It already did it for me, right? So now I'm gonna go in with a concealer brush. You can do an angle brush, or If you have like a flat concealer brush, you can use one of those too. I'm trying to see if I can find my flat concealer brush. But I'm in the midst of changing things around in my room, getting my floor done, thanks to my brother. So I found my flat concealer brush. So I'm just gonna pat that in. And what you want to do is you just kind of want to draw that line. And just kind of mimic that pattern of where the cut crease occurred. That's all I'm doing. That's all. And I'm dragging it down, just patting that in. You want it to blend out very good. So bam, bam, oh, oh. Okay, so that's pretty much how this cut crease is. Now, if you want, you can use like a lighter shadow color, like a natural color, and wear it like this. Or you can put translucent powder, wear it like this. I mean, it's still cute. I like it. I do it. But since I'm using this palette, I'm going to go ahead and use that golden color. Tap, tap. And then this, you want to tap it on here. That's what you want to do. You want to tap it so that way it stays in place. If you brush it on there, it won't apply properly. And that's all we're doing. We're just gonna tap, 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 tap. And with this, like, it's much easier to not be as not to worry about being as clean, just because it's all natural colors, you know, it's all neutrals. So this honestly probably will take you about like 10 minutes to do, maybe less, depending on how fast you're operating. Alrighty, see, and with some lashes, boo, you will be good. So right here in this corner, the outer corner, I am going to go back in with the raw sienna just so that I can get some more of that darker color. And that's it. So then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my mascara and my lashes. Like I said, I just kind of wanted to show you how to achieve a cut crease for beginners. Oh, and this is the Better Than Sex mascara. It's amazing. I love it. So, I mean, if you're not into lashes yet, or you don't know how to apply them just yet, which honestly I had to learn, and it did take me a while, but I learned. Anyways, you can always get this mascara, and I promise you, like, it really makes your freaking lashes pop. Like, I would be fine not wearing lashes as long as I have this mascara. Look at this. Oh, oh. And then just curl your lashes. See? And then look at the other side. The comparison of them. Oh my god. So, yeah. So I'm going to do the other side just so that you can see how it looks. And it's the same method. It doesn't change. Here we go. We're going to speed this up. Okay, so with this look, I'm going to use my Anastasia highlighter, which is freaking amazing. And I'm just going to apply a little bit in my tear ducts right here. Alrighty, and that is pretty much what I do. I'm going to apply some lashes so that you can see the difference between how it looks with the mascara and the lashes. And I'm going to apply that off camera. But yeah, I mean, this is it. It's really simple, easy, cute, and cut crease for hooded eyes. So give me a sec and I'll be right back. This is the look that I got. And so this is your spring summer look, and I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like and subscribe, because I got you if you got me. Thanks.